Hello, my name is Katalin Voicu and I'm a system engineer with N2W. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the feature called Resource Control Groups. You will find it here on the left-hand side, and if you click on it, you will see the option to create a new group. Once you click that button, it will ask you a couple of things. For example, give this group a name. I will just call it Group 1. Then you will be able to select from the drop-down menu the user and the account for which you want to do this. By default, the operation mode will be to turn off and on, right? Or you can change it if you want to. Then head to the second tab called Operation Targets. Add the targets that you are thinking of putting in this group, and you will be able to navigate to different regions. I'm going to show you my region, Frankfurt, where I have a couple of resources that I want to add to this group. Once I did that, I will be able to head to Schedules, and in here I will click New Schedule, and it will allow me to either create multiple schedules, one per day. So if you have different turn off and on times that you have in mind, or if you have, like in my example here, the same time every day where you want them to be turned off and then on again, you can do it like this. I want to turn off my instances every single day at 6 p.m. So I will select it here in the turn off time. Then the next day, I want my instances to be turned on again at 9 a.m. Once I select this, I hit apply and then I click save. So I have created my resource group and it will be running according to the settings that I put in the schedules. So it will be shutting down those resources at 6 p.m. every single day, starting them at 9 a.m. the very next day. And I'm saving, as you can see here on the right-hand side, $350 almost every single month. You can use this feature to have cost savings on resources that are running in your development account, staging account, everything that is non-prod, literally everything that doesn't need to be up and running all the time. So you can create one or multiple groups, and we support EC2 instances and RDS databases as targets. Let's say you want to create one such group, but you don't want to assign a schedule to it because the teams that are working with those resources sometimes work over their schedule to finish a project. In that case, you don't want to shut down the resources while they are being worked on, so you can tell those team members that they can just log into the console here and click the Turn Off Now button. And when they need those resources back up and running again, they can just click Turn On Now.